Hi, I'm Vanessa, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to get an infant vital signs. First, we get the respirations, the heart rate, the temperature, the weight and the length, the head size, and the chest size. Before we start, make sure that you gathered all your supplies. A stethoscope followed by um, measuring tape, the the thermometer, and the scale and a watch to count with. Okay. A normal respiratory rate for an infant is 30 to 60 beats per minute. Okay, before we start, make sure that we sanitize our hands before we proceed. Okay. Assess any signs of distress. Assess any signs of distress. Nasal flaring, chest distraction, skin color. Okay. Count for one. Count for 1 full minute. At this age, rate is irregular. So we need to count 1 full minute. Infant, what we have called periodic breathing. This is where the infant's breaths are stopped for a few seconds and breathe again. Okay, for taking respirations, watch the rise and fall of the chest. One rise and one falls is equal one breath. Infants have abdominal breath, so watch this area, or likely place a head on the area while counting. Okay, and taking a heart rate, less than 1 is 100 to 190 beats per minute. It depends on while or crying. It varies or crying or if the infant is sleeping. 1 month old to a year old is the normal rate is 90 to 180 beats per minute. Count the apical pulse by oscillating for full 1 minute. Infant can experience sinus arrhythmia, which is associated with respiration. The heart rate speeds up and down with the respiration. The apical pulse on infants is found of the fourth intercostal space, or ICS, lateral on the midlothic line. Remember, the heart rate is going to be fast, so it will practice on learning how to count the rate on an infant. So you count 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then you just wait for the infant heart rate. And the infant heart rate is the normal beats per minute is 100 to 190 beats per minute. And what is done, just documented. As you see, I don't have a real baby, so I can't take the real breaths per minute of a baby, of an infant, or rather. So what's important is we know what is the standard beats per minute of an infant. Okay, in taking temperature of an infant. Okay, in taking temperature of our infant, then we have a thermometer here, and make sure that we sanitize this thermometer before use. Okay, the normal temperature range of an infant is 36.4 to 37.4 degrees Celsius. Root taking is via armpit axillary. Take the tip of the thermometer in the fold of the armpit and close and wait for the thermometer to beep. So, as I said, I'm not using a real baby, so you just can't document the real temperature. So But important is we should know that the normal temperature range is 36.4 to 37.4 degree Celsius. And then once it beep, you can take the degree Celsius of our baby's temperature range. Okay, and now we are taking the weight of our baby. I have here a weighing scale for our baby. Before you start, remove the coating soiled diaper. Place infant on the scale and obtain weight. Compare the current weight to previous weight and document it. For the length of our baby, I have here, okay, I have here a pen. Okay, remove our baby gently, and for our length, the normal length of an infant is 18 to 22 inches. Make sure from the heel and place paper behind infant to make length areas. Lay baby back and keep the head midline and keep the head midline and extend. Yeah. And extend a leg mark this area on the paper and make sure, okay, extend the length, and then, okay, we remove the baby gently and we measure the marking line from here to here, okay? And then in this way, we can know the length of our baby. And remember, the normal length of an infant is 18 to 22 inches. Okay? And for taking our baby head circumference, we need a measuring tape and measure in centimeters. Measures the largest diameter of the head. This is found in the forehead. This is found in the forehead, just above the eyebrows and the prominent part of the head. Okay, we measure in centimeter. Remember, it's above the measure the largest diameter of the head. This is found around the forehead, just above the eyebrows and the prominent part of the back of the head. And remember, the normal size of the head circumference is 33 centimeter to 38 centimeter. Okay, and then if we have took the circumference of the head of our infant, just documented it. And now we are proceed to chest size. Okay, it's like okay. For example, this is use the nipple line of a baby as your guide. Okay. Okay, and remember, 1 to 2 centimeter less than the head circumference. For example, we have the 33 centimeter for the head circumference and 1 to 2 centimeter less than for the chest size. Okay, thank you.